you a really good stretch that is helpful after radiation or mastectomy treatment. This stretch is using a large gym ball.
Gently press the heel of your hand into the ball. This will help the muscles of the upper back to work as well as the arm muscles. Roll the ball up and down and side to side. When rolling upwards, move to the point where a gentle stretching discomfort just begins. Never push further. Hold 5 seconds or so at the limit of each stretch. Step a little closer to the wall as your arm raises higher.
So my name is Susan DeSlip and I'm a physiotherapist at Go Physiotherapy Sports and Wellness Centre in Vancouver. For more information, go to our website at gophysiotherapy.ca.